Okay, if I refresh it, I can move, I can eat, get a body part, but I can't run into the edge. It doesn't die. I can come back. So we need to check the edges. We also want to spawn more food, and I think that's about it. Maybe we can put a score. So we'll do that now. Alright, so when we update and we calculate the new head, we check to see if the head is getting food. If it is, let's add a new food. So say new food equals I don't know. We'll say, we'll just put it where the old food was. So this will this will not work, but we'll just say new head 0, new head 1. So we'll put the food right where the new head is going. No, that's not good. Let's see. You know what? We'll just take it from a body part. So we'll just say snake 0, 0, snake 0, 1. The idea is that the food can't go there. So I wanted a place where the food can't go. I just need to initialize this thing. So then we're going to say for, we'll say let open space equals false. For maybe I'll just do a random. Maybe we'll just do that. Okay, so new food is math.random times dims, and we're going to round that down again. So math.floor, and the other coordinate is going to be the same. Okay. We'll say open space false for let body part of snake if body part 0 equals new food 0, and if body part 0 equals new food 1, open space equals false. I'm going to put true to start off, actually. Okay, so is this an open space that I just randomly came up with? It'll set to true. Then it will check every body part, and if the snake is there, it won't go there. Also, I'm going to just copy and paste this for loop. Let food place of food. So we'll put food place here. So if it's where a body part is, that's not good. If it's where a food already is, that's not good. There should only be one food, but I guess I'll put, you know what, you don't even need that if check or that for loop. I guess the only other thing is we don't want to put it right where we are. So I'm just going to copy this, paste that. Instead of body part, we'll say, where do I calculate new head? I've already calculated it. So if new head 0 is the new food, and new head 1 is the new food, you don't want to put the food right where the new head's about to go. That's where the old food was. So that's not an open space. And then once you finish all of that, we'll just say if, okay, so open space is true. And for I'm trying to think how to do this. I want to keep running this until we get an open space. I want to keep guessing. So I'm going to put a while loop around all this. So okay, I guess what I will do is we'll calculate the new foods place, which is randomly chosen. We'll say open space is false at first, and we'll say while open space is false, we're going to run this. So we're going to say while this is not an open space, we're going to do something. What are we going to do? Well, all of this stuff. Indent. So create a new food. Set open space to true, and then see if you can clear all these checks. So is it touching? Is it where a body part already is? Then it's false. Is it where the head is currently, the old food that we just ate? Then it's false. If it gets through that, then it's true. And then when it loops again, it'll know it is an open space, and it'll not run it again. It'll be done. So I think that's good. I think I need to initialize new food. So instead of declaring it here, I'm going to declare it up here. That new food. Okay. And that's how it'll run. And then after we get out of that, we'll say food.push new food. And that'll give me a new food. That's good. Okay. So I think that'll generate new food. Let's try that. Okay, looking good. Excellent. Oh, nice. Double food. Always gotta love double food. Okay, I want to remember kind of like where my head is. So I'm going to change the lightness. That was here. So if it's a member of if the cell is a member of the snake, I want to see if I can get, I think this will work. I'm not sure about that. So instead of 50% here, I'm going to remove that and put quotes. So I can calculate a number and slide it in where this percentage is. And so I'm going to say 50 plus 5 times snake.index of cell. So it'll get lighter as you go further down the body. Let's see if I just broke it. I don't see a difference. I do not see any difference whatsoever. Actually, I think I might see a difference, but it's a very tiny difference. So that makes sense. 55. So 5. You know what? This is good enough. You can kind of see it. All right, that's good. I'm enjoying this game too much. Ah. Doop. Okay. Oh my goodness, that was a failure. So it did not. That was weird. So it didn't realize that it was in the snake's body. So our thing did not work. Now it's just going to keep getting white. It can't go lighter than white. So you just get this long white tail. What is that? Okay, so let's figure out what's going on there. So while not an open space, check body part. So this is failing. This is not working. Let body part of snake. If the body part there, this should be 1. That's it. Okay, I think that'll work. Okay. So that should work. Now, I want to make sure I can't double back. Well, let's add edge detection first. So I get a new head, and then I check to see if I'm eating, blah, blah, blah. I guess right away we can check to see if the new head is in the wall. So if, we'll do something here. So if new head 0, that's the row, I believe. So that's up and down. Anyway, it's the same either way. So if this is less than 0, or if new head 0 is greater than dims minus 1, or if new head 1 is less than 0, or if new head 1 is greater than dims minus 1, that means we hit a wall. And so we're going to say, we're going to stop the game and let the player know you dead. Okay. We also want to stop the game. How do we do that? Well, the game is this set interval, and it always is processing. I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to say let game equal set interval, and now I can access the game from this variable name. So when I hit the wall, I don't want to just alert that I'm dead. I want to say clear interval game, and that should kill the game. Boop, you dead. And my snake is gone. Anyway, that's okay. That's good. You can check the other edges. I think that'll work on all the edges. Boop. Yeah. If this works, the other one should work. Great. Okay. Now we need to prevent you from. So if I'm going up, the only reason why this should not work if I press up is if I'm going down. So we'll say if, I'm going to put this in brackets, if snake dot length is greater than 1 and direction dot row is equal to 1, or I should say not equal to 1. Wait, what do I want to say? The only reason this should not work is if you're going down. So I'm going to say if this is equal to 1 and my length is greater than 1. Yeah, that should work. So if my length is only 1, so it should not happen in this case. So I'm going to put if not this. And I'm going to do the same for all of them. I guess I'm going to type here if, there we go, tab. Alright, so I kind of changed them all. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it here, here, and here. So I can't go up if I'm going down. I can't go left if I'm going right. I can't go down if I'm going up. And I can't go right if I'm going left. Let's see if that works. So I can go left and right. I can do that when I'm one cell long, so that's okay. Once I get to 2, I can go right, I can go down, I can go left, I can go down, I can't go up. I can't go left, I can't go down, I can't go right. So yeah, everything's working. Alright, we now have snake. Good to go. You can control the size of the game. You can control the speed of the game. And you know, you can lose, of course. So let's see. To control the speed of the game, let's say I want it to go 5 times faster. Also, the size of the game is I don't know, 20? Oh geez, this is fast. And it's amazingly fun. So very good. You're dead. Awesome. All right, so that is Snake. We'll do a quick recap of how that worked, and that'll be it.